Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the class of mathematics online. Today we are going to make some solving concerning with the sequence and series. But before starting, I would like to remind you, please take your time to subscribe on my YouTube channel called Samfaume Online. So make sure you subscribe on it in order to get many tutorial questions, tutorial videos, tutorial sheets concerning the mathematics subject, even the different questions from the MOCO, pre-MOCO, and the other exams under Tanzania syllabus. So make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel called Samfaume Online. Okay, let us go on. From this tutorial sheets, we're going to solve the question concerning the sequence and series as you see it. Let us read it. The arithmetic progression have 14 terms. The sum of odd number is equal to 161 and the sum of the even number is equal to this one. Find the product of the first and sixth term of this arithmetic progression. This AP means arithmetic progression. Do not confuse on it. Okay, for this question, first of all, you have to understand it. He says that this is arithmetic progression with 14 terms. Since it is arithmetic progression with 14 terms, this means you have the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, up to 14 terms. That's why he said that there is a 14 term on this arithmetic progression. But on top of that, he said that the sum of odd number equals to 161. So from this series of the first term up to the 14 terms, the sum of odd number is equal to 161. This means from this one, which one is the odd number? It is this one first, this one third term, this one fifth term, and so on. So your odd numbers will be the first term, third term, fifth term, seventh term, ninth term, 11th term, and 13th term. But sum of this odd number is equal to 161 according to the instruction here. The sum of the odd number is 161. That means when you sum up here, it's supposed to be 161. But also you have to remember that in arithmetic progression, the nth term equals to first term plus n minus 1 times d. This means when you want to find the third term, you're supposed to put n equals to 3. Then this one will be n minus 1. Now the third term will be equal to first term plus 2d. The same to the seventh term will be equal to the first term plus 7 minus 1 will find equals to 6. So first term plus 6d. The same to the ninth term will be equal to the first term plus 8d. Okay, by that reason, you're supposed to plug the value of third term, the value of seventh term, the value of ninth term, and all of this. Now, this equation will be equal to this one. First term here, the first term, plus third term here, third term equals to first term plus 2d, then plus fifth term equals to first term plus 4d, plus seventh term equals to first term plus 6d, plus ninth term equals to first term plus 8d, and so on up to the last term here. And its summation equals to 160. Its summation is equal to 160. Then from there, you're supposed to sum on. When you take this one plus 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 this one, will be equal to the seventh first term plus 42d. This is because when you sum up this one plus this one plus this one plus this one will be equal to the 7 first term, and also this is 2d plus this one, it will be 6 plus this one, it will be 12 plus this one, it is 20 plus this one, it is 30 plus this one, it is 42. That way it is 42d. Then is equal to 161. Then is equal to 161. So this one will be your first equation. How about the second equation? He said that sum of even number equals to 140 according to this one, and says the sum of even number is equal to 140. So when you sum up the even number from where? Even number from that series, this one, series of now terms from the first up to the fourth term. So when you take the sum of even number from this series, it's supposed to be 140. What is the even number from this series? Will be the second term, fourth term, sixth term, eighth term, and so on. So sum of even number will be second term, fourth term, sixth term, eighth term, 10th term, 12th term, and the 14th term. But sum of this even number is 140. That's why it is equal to 140. This means when you sum up all of this, you'll find equals to 7 first term plus 49d. This is because you have to plug the value of the second term as the first term plus d, and also you can plug the value of the first term will be equal to the first term plus 3d, and so on. So at the end of the day, you'll find something like this one when you sum up all of that. Okay, so now you'll have the two equations, the first equation here, the second equation here. So what you're supposed to do, just solve simultaneous, as you see here. Okay, you can use any method to solve simultaneous equation, but simple method I prefer to use elimination. Okay, let us take the first equation minus the second equation. 7a minus 7 first term, this one will cancel because this is the first term and this is the first term. They are going to cancel. So this one is 42d minus 49d. When you subtract here, it will be equal to negative 7d. This is 161 minus 140. When you subtract, it will be equal to 21. So divided by negative 7, divided by negative 7. At the end of the day, we'll find d is equal to negative 3. So that is the value of d. But you can use either the first equation or the second equation to find the value of the first term. Okay, let me use the first equation, which is said that 7 first term plus 42d is equal to 161, but we know that the value of d was equal to negative 3, so plug the value of d here will be 7 first term plus 42 times d, negative 3, is equal to 161. So 7 first term plus this one, when you multiply here, will be equal to negative 126, which is equal to 161. Shift this negative to that side. So 7 first term will be equal to 287 divided by 7 divided by 7. So first term will be equal to 41. So now I have the first term, but our goals is to find the product of the first term and sixth term. So stay tuned. Okay, we have the first term equals to this one, and also we know common difference equals to negative 3. We need to find the sixth term. Sixth term will be equal to first term plus 5d. So sixth term will be equal to first term 41 plus 5 times d, but d it is equal to negative 3. We know it from the previous solving there. Okay, so the sixth term will be equal to 41 minus, when you multiply there, will be equal to 15. So 41 minus 15, you'll find the sixth term will be equal to 26. So that is the 56th term. But our attention, as you know, we need to find the product of the first term and the sixth term. But for the time now, we have the first term equals to 41, and also we have the sixth term, which is equal to 26. So its product can be obtained by taking this one times this one. So when you times, the product will be equal to 1066. So this one will be the product of that first term and the sixth term. It is end of my presentation, but let me say something. You student or you parent, please take your time to subscribe in my YouTube channel, which is called Samfaume Online. Samfaume Online. Don't forget it. Subscribe on this channel. It will help you to find the tutorial concerned with different questions, different exams, different take-home package, and a lot of questions will be solved here through this channel. So make sure you subscribe. Okay, goodbye.